In this tutorial, we will be reviewing how to find reservations associated with a group contract. Navigate to the left portion of your screen and click Groups. The default screen is to find a group booking. You may have the code, or you may just search by arrival start. We're going to do an arrival start search. We know that the wedding that we're looking for is coming in the second weekend in June. So we're going to go ahead and start with the 8th and end on that Saturday, giving us a couple days to pick up when that arrival time for the group is. And we're just going to go ahead and click search. The Lloyd wedding is the wedding that we would like to know what type of reservations are on this group. Go ahead and select the group to populate the group details. In order to see how many reservations are against this group, we're going to select the rooming list. This rooming list will show all groups within this wedding. Any reservation in the system that has been assigned to a group will show up in a rooming list. Whether that rooming list is for a team or for individual calls, they will all show up here. Now take note, several of these reservations have been canceled. And we do have reservations. But let's say in this example, the group contact needs a rooming list so that they could schedule gift bags for the wedding party. In this case, you will want to verify that the person that you're speaking with is actually the group contact. We're only able to send information about the group and the associated reservations to the group contact or with the group contact permission. In this case, you'll click Print Rooming List. You'll see here that all reservations associated with that rooming list have populated into an easily printable or emailable document. Enter the group contact name here, email here, and go ahead and send that off. Or you may choose to export it as a PDF and send it in an individualized email. You may not care so much about the individual reservations left in the group, and you may be more interested in knowing how many of each group or room type is associated with the group and it's available left to book. In this case, you're going to select Room Matrix. Room Matrix in the group shows how many rooms we had blocked and how many rooms that are picked up. In this example, you can see that we had 15 rooms blocked for this particular wedding. And we have 5 rooms that have picked up. Please ignore this. This is something unrelated. So you can see 5 rooms each night of the block, meaning that they still have 10 more rooms to pick up. The total available inventory showing here is not associated with the group, but whole property inventory. These rooms here are not included in are included in this number. So if we took this 2 to 0, 2 would populate here. So these account for the rooms already taken out of the room group block. If somebody wanted to add a king suite, we might not be able to do that because we have 0 available on this day. You can return to the group information screen. If you need to add any more details here, you may do so, and you can hit save. Again, rooming list is for the individual reservations made against this group block, and the room matrix shows that the amount of room types out of inventory that we have held. Typically in a group block, we do not use a group folio unless this group block is particularly associated with a meeting space only. This ends the tutorial on rooming list and room matrix within a group block.